Hello dear guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I hope all of you are doing well today. So today we're going to be talking about Facebook. Yes, Facebook monetization. Recently we learned that Nigeria is now eligible for monetization. So if you're in Nigeria, you can now monetize your Facebook account, either page or personal profile. But there are some issues we're actually facing right now. So what you're going to do is you are going to click on your home button and you go to your profile and then you click on professional dashboard. Then it will bring you here. Now you click on the monetization icon like here now. See dashboard, you go there and you come down, you scroll down, you see monetization, you click on it. So the popular one that people monetize their channel, their accounts for is this in-stream ads. So when you click on it, you see that you've met the requirements. You reside in an eligible country. You have 5,000 followers. You've shared 5 eligible videos and all. And this, I don't know if you need to get the 60,000 watch hours. If you need it, or you go get it. But there's this particular one. This one that they said you follow Facebook's content monetization policies. It's not checked and you cannot check it. There's nothing you can do to check it. There is no a task for you to do to get it checked, because Facebook believe that your contents are not yours. They are not original. Yeah, they refer them as unoriginal contents. So we are going to be solving that issue, and for us to do that, we are going to write straight to Facebook. Yes, we are going to contact them and tell them to help us check it, because even if you click on this content monetization policies, you read through everything, there's no way you can check it. So we are going to write we are going to report this problem to them so that they can help us fix it. So what you are going to do now is you go back, you click on your profile here, then to bring you here, you click on help and support, and you go to support center, right? Click on report a problem. Then click on continue to report. Click on don't include. Then here you can, if it is a page you want to report for, you click on pages, right? If it is profile, you come to profile and click on profile. Mine is profile. I'm not going for pages yet. I'm going for profile, so I'm going to click on profile. So what you're going to do now is write exactly what I'm going to write to them. Okay, so I'm going to paste it. So here it is. Hello Facebook team, I have been working hard on my Facebook page. That's if you're writing for a page. Then you write your page name in brackets. By posting original video, but I'm seeing unoriginal content problem under Facebook content monetization policy. Can you please review this and resolve the problem as soon as possible? Then you paste your page link here and then you say thank you. But since I'm doing it for a profile, I'm not going to put a link there. I'll just remove it like this and then come here, my Facebook, and put profile here. By posting original content. And that's all, guys. Hopefully after 24 hours, if you're lucky, they are going to solve that problem for you. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe if you are new on the channel and smash the like button, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching and peace out. click on send. Thank you for feedback, blah blah blah. Bye.